The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right about now, I have two videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Yes, they are out on social media. Comments had been made about these videos on social media. And I'm bringing these videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at these videos. You can also tell me what you think about these videos and to also keep it up to date and posted and make you know what I want. Alright? Now, the first video that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, according to what had been said about this video on social media, is that this video is of a wife that is saying that her husband is at a female's apartment during his birthday. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, this video is out on social media where all kinds of things have been said about this video. You know what I mean? Some persons are saying that the husband is cheating. Some persons are saying that the wife is too jealous. And other things had been said about this video on social media. Now, I'm going to show you this video so that you can have a look at it. And you can also tell me what you think. You can tell me if you think that the wife is too jealous, or is it that the husband is cheating, or what? You see me? Alright, now I'm going to show you this video and then we'll talk a little bit more about it. Alright, now here is the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
This is my husband at his girlfriend's apartment celebrating his birthday. Come, babes, come.
Hello,
Come.
Come,
babes. This is what my husband doing. This is when he's celebrating his birthday.
Okay, let's call the police.
Call the police.
You come in the people place with disrespecting people?
I disrespecting the people? My husband disrespecting me. Hello? Y'all come see how my husband taking the break today. Call the police on me. Please, look. Y'all come out the man, y'all come see. Y'all come out and see where my husband is taking the birthday. He come free cake. Yes, it's me. Huh? I know, I come to get my husband. Hi, Sister Lovon. I come to get my husband.
Rita, I came to you this morning. I was on the porch outside. Maybe come and I wanted to cast my head. I didn't see that box.
Let me see. No, it's still from here. My wife come here.
Why are you by your side,
My
chick?
wife come here. Yeah, my wife come here by one of my friend's house.
Your friend?
Yeah, my friend's house.
Miss Doini? Good day. How are you, darling?
Yes, don't
Come
do
out,
that.
Miss Doini.
Yes, don't do that.
Miss Doini, come out. Miss Doini, come out. If I go into jail, I'm going to jail for something, babes. That's what I'm going to do. Yes, if I go into jail, I'm going to jail for something. I'm disrespecting the people. I come to get my husband who is at somebody. That's my property. You're my property. I come to get you, babes.
Yeah.
I come to get my husband.
Yeah, the people property. That's it. People property. Ain't no one.
He asked me to come. He told me. I called him before and he told me to come. So I come to get him.
Hello?
He asked me to come.
No, don't do that with my shoes.
He asked me to
No,
come.
my arm right there.
He asked me to come. So I come to get you, babes. Call the police on me. I asked you if you want me to come and you told me to come. So I'm here.
Yo, go bring my shoes. My shoes got my stuff inside it.
I don't care what your shoes have in it, babes. It's me and you leaving.
Well, okay, go really.
I told you, I said, if you don't want to be in this relationship, you don't want to be married to me anymore, leave. You can come and have your relationship with this young lady. I'm not interrupting that. But when you tell me you want to be with me and you leave my house and come in there with her, that make no sense, babes.
Yeah,
She tell you, did you tell her what you did this morning?
Come by the one way.
Hmm?
Well, really and truly,
Let the police come. Let the police come. Bring the police. Let the police lock me up. Let the police lock me up. Bring the police. Bring the police to lock me up, babes. We staying. We keep in charge today. We keep in charge today. That we finish? Say we finish. That is what. Why do? Why do? Who? Come and get your shoes. I ain't going for no shoes. Send your girl in there for it. Hey, so what you doing in there, babes? Then the teacher was going downstairs is you and she? Then the one who going downstairs is you and she? Is someone? What I just did, babes. Thank you, you're welcome. Yeah.
You honestly take God out your thoughts or something like that?
I ain't take God out my thoughts. God is with me.
All I talk to you, how many times
You want to have a future with me, you're going to have a future with me and nobody else. I don't mind, understand? I told you, you want to be with her, stay with her. I don't have a problem with that. But don't be playing the fool's game where you're going back and forth. That is what I'm saying. I must go and bring your shoes. I must go and bring your shoes. I ain't going, I waiting right here.
No, we can stay here, I ain't going with you.
You ain't going home with me? Say, curfew, staying right here. Okay, babe. That's alright. That's okay. That's okay.
So you just make it, you don't come and make it.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. The video that is out on social media where it is said that a wife had caught her husband at a female's house during his birthday. Now, I'm looking at the video, viewers and subscribers, and I'm saying to myself, you know, maybe this whole thing is just a misunderstanding, you see me? Maybe the female is just really the husband's friend. You get what I'm saying to you? But however, you know, if it is really his birthday and he's at a female's house, especially if he's there for a long time, probably hours or so on, then some females that are considered to be a girlfriend or a wife might not like something like that, you know. They might feel upset about it. You get what I'm saying to you? And I said some females because guess what? Not everyone is the kind of person that really, you know, get jealous over certain things. You get what I'm saying to you? So that's why I said some females. And I am not going to say that the wife is too jealous or anything like that. No, because there might be more to this whole thing than what had been seen in this video. Alright? Well, anyways, I'm only telling you what I think about this whole thing according to some of the things that I had heard and seen in this video. And you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that I had said about this video. Alright? And with that, I'm going to move on to the next video right about now. And this video, according to what had been said about it on social media, is that this video shows off a person that is considered to be a Rastafarian. Some persons might say Rastaman. And it is said that this person was being disrespectful to persons on a public transportation vehicle. Now, this video is out on social media where questions had been asked about this video, and some of the comments that I had seen on social media about this video, it gives me the understanding that some persons are asking where this had happened and when this had happened and what could have caused this to have happened, and other questions had been asked. Now, viewers and subscribers, I do not have any information as to where this had happened, nor when this had happened, and I do not have any information as to what could have caused something like this to have happened. But however, this video is out on social media. Questions had been asked about this video, and I'm presenting this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think. Alright, you can tell me what you think might be the cause for something like this to have happened and so on. Alright, now as I'm about about to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers. This is a warning that some of the languages in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now here is the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Me not talk to you. Me not talk. Fuck off and go fuck yourself. If one is stepping on your face, bumble wall. Fuck off! Then you have a word if you tell us to fuck your mother and your father. Then you go white face far superior bumble class. If one is clear off your head. In front of everybody at you. And whosoever want violate, give me tear off the whole of your head. And see who have the justice and the truth. Then you go bumble class. You believe a Charlie white blood clot coming a yellow pan? Or Andrew white whosoever? A Charlie black? What raised up the Mecca? Suck yourself! And you want me terminate the white face in your like yourself while violate me? You want me terminate the white face in you? Me in trouble none of you? You want me terminate every white face in this blood clot? See I disrespect the emperor? Me in trouble none of you and disrespect none of you? You believe I show you look and wanna go to the corridor back? Stop in Mecca!
Yo, what's this guy on?
Me in trouble none of you? Don't fuck with us fast so we gotta go white face. No ambition, no quality blood clot. Hard to tie up on the bus, can't tell you. Much less the road. Much less all the put on behind. Before we terminate in a bomb clot now.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall. Me only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I go on. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall.
Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.